Hello children, today we are going to see about Unit 1, third topic diseases.
Children, can you tell me what is dizzy? Dizzy is an abnormal condition that affects a living organism. This abnormal condition affects its structure and function. Children, how you come to know that you are affected from dizzy? Because of symptoms. Each dizzy has symptoms. It may be caused by external factors as well as internal dysfunction. Now we are going to learn in detail about causes of diseases and types of diseases.
Causes of diseases. Microorganisms like bacteria, virus, protozoa and fungi will cause the various diseases. They are transmitted by insects and also through polluted air and contaminated water. Some diseases are also caused when the function of a body is affected. The causes of diseases are classified as 5 factors. They are genetic factor, example color blindness; metabolic factor, example diabetes; microorganisms, example bacterial disease; nutritional factor, example marasmus; environmental factor, example cholera. Types of diseases. There are 4 main diseases. They are infectious diseases, hereditary diseases, physiological diseases, deficiency diseases.
Infectious diseases. We may affect from infectious diseases when the microorganisms enters in our body and it multiplies inside our body. It will spread from one person to another person. Example common cold. Hereditary diseases. It will occur due to abnormalities in the gene. This disease will usually pass from parents to children. Example, heart disease. Physiological diseases. They are caused due to malfunction of the body organs. Example, asthma. Deficiency diseases. The food which we are taken regularly should contain all the essential nutrients in correct proportion, and it's very important for maintaining good health. If there is any deficiency in one or more nutrients will cause various deficiency diseases like protein deficiency disease, vitamin and mineral deficiency disease. Let's learn more about protein deficiency diseases. Marasmus and kwashiorkor are the types of protein deficiency diseases. We can cure it by eating protein-rich foods. Marasmus. Children who loses their weight and they'll appear as bones are covered by skin. Kwashiorkor. The child affected by kwashiorkor will have the symptoms like enlarged belly with swollen face and feet. It is found more among the people in developing countries. Children who are affected by protein deficiency diseases are taken more amount of carbohydrate rich food and less amount of protein rich food in their diet. We can cure this disease by consuming protein rich foods like egg, milk, fish and green leafy vegetables.
Vitamins and minerals deficiency diseases. They are caused by lack of vitamins and minerals in our diet. We can avoid these diseases by consuming more vitamins and mineral rich food items. Let us see causes due to the lack of vitamins and minerals and its cure. Vitamin A. Lack of vitamin A will cause night blindness. To cure this, we should consume foods like milk, carrot, papaya, etc. Vitamin B. Lack of vitamin B will cause beriberi. To cure this, we should consume foods like milk, cereals, etc. Vitamin C. Lack of vitamin C will cause scurvy. To cure this, we should consume foods like orange, lemon, etc. Vitamin D. Lack of vitamin D causes rickets. To cure this, we should consume foods like milk, egg, fish, etc. Vitamin E. Lack of vitamin E causes sterility. To cure this, we should consume foods like apple, green vegetables, wheat, etc. Vitamin K. Lack of vitamin K causes hemorrhage. To cure this, we should consume foods like tomato, cabbage, green vegetables, etc. Iodine. Lack of iodine causes goitre. To cure this, we should consume more iodized salt and vegetables. Iron. Lack of iron causes anemia. To cure this, we should consume spinach, cashews, etc.
Food pyramid. It is designed to select healthy foods depending upon our work, age and gender. The requirements of various nutrients may vary from person to person. Example, children should intake more nutrients in their diet for their physical and mental development. People doing hard work needs more carbohydrates and fats in their diet. I hope you all have understood the topics under diseases. Thank you, children.